Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have already finished revising NCERT biology twice, chapter wise, and this is the third time revision where we are going on unit wise, and the unit for today is there on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the MCQ session for today. Question number 1. Gills are not a respiratory organ in option A. Mollusks, option B. Fishes, option C. Reptiles, or option D. Aquatic arthropods. Gills are not a respiratory organ in. The correct answer is option C, that is reptiles. In reptiles, the respiratory organ is lungs, not gills. Question 2. Third molar appears by the age of option A 21 years, option B 22 years, option C 25 years, or option D 19 years. Third molar appears by the age of. The correct answer is option A 21 years. This is an important data which is often utilized by forensic experts to find out the age of the criminals that come to them. Question 4. GFR, that is glomerular filtration rate, in a healthy individual is 125 ml per minute, 125 ml per hour, 125 ml per second, or 125 ml per day. GFR in a healthy individual is. The correct answer is option A, that is 125 ml per minute. Question 5. Which of the following is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber? Of the four statements, one is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber. Option A. Dorsally made by sternum. Option B. Ventrally made by sternum. Option C. Laterally made by ribs. Option D. Lower side by diaphragm. So these are the walls of thoracic chamber. You have to tell which one is incorrect. The answer is option A. Dorsally made by sternum. It's incorrect. Dorsally, the thoracic chamber is made by vertebral column. Question 6. Which of the following is not granulocyte? Eosinophil, neutrophil, monocytes, basophil. Which of the following is not a granulocyte? The correct answer is option C. Monocyte is not a granulocyte. Question 7. What is the source of atrial natriuretic factor ANF? Kidney, pituitary, heart, or adrenals? Source of atrial natriuretic factor. The correct answer is option C, that is heart. Question 8. Antigen found on the surface of RBC in a person with blood group O is A, B, both A and B, or nil. The correct answer is option D, that is the antigen found on the surface of RBC is nil. Neither A nor B is found. Hence, they act as universal donors. However, they contain both the antibodies in their plasma. So, since both the antibodies, that is anti-A as well as anti-B, is present, they cannot receive blood from any other blood group other than O itself. So they act as universal donor. However, they can receive blood only from blood group O. On the same basis, AB blood group acts as a universal recipient because it contains both antigen A and B, but the plasma doesn't contain any antibody. So neither anti-A nor anti-B is present. So AB acts as universal recipient, receiving blood from all the blood groups, and O acts as a universal donor and can donate blood to all blood groups. Question 9. Erythroblastosis fetalis occurs when mother is Rh positive, child is Rh negative, mother is Rh negative, child is Rh positive, mother is A blood group and child is O, or mother is O blood group, child is A. Erythroblastosis fetalis occurs when The correct answer is option B, that is mother is Rh negative and child is Rh positive. During the first delivery, there is no complications. However, at the time of delivery, some blood of the child gets exposed to the maternal blood. At that time, the Rh positive contains Rh antigens. So the antigens of the child gets in contact with the blood of the mother, and mother starts developing antibodies against these antigens. During the second pregnancy, now this antibodies has the tendency to cross the placenta and reach into the child's blood. Now the child's blood in the second pregnancy, these antibodies are going to destroy the child's RBC, resulting in severe anemia. And that is what called as erythroblastosis fetalis, in which the mother's antibody against Rh antigen is destroying child's RBC. And it is not seen in first pregnancy, seen only in second pregnancy. Question 10. Which of the following gets absorbed in stomach? Option A, amino acid. Option B, alcohol. Option C, fructose. Or option D, fatty acid. Which of the following gets absorbed in stomach? The correct answer is option B, that is alcohol gets absorbed in stomach. Question number 11. What will happen to oxygen dissociation curve if the carbon dioxide concentration is increased in blood? Option A, no effect. Option B, oscillation will occur. Option C, shift to left. Option D, shift to right. What will happen to oxygen dissociation curve if the carbon dioxide concentration is increased in blood? The correct answer is option D. The curve will shift to right. Question number 12. Broca's area in human brain controls interpretation of images, interpretation of sentences, movement of vocal cord, movement of respiratory muscle. Broca's area in brain controls. The correct answer is option C, that is movement of vocal cord. Broca's area of brain is involved in speaking. Question number 13. The bones of the mammals contain Haversian canals which are connected by transverse canals known as. Human bones or the bones of the mammal contain system of canals known as Haversian canals. Now Haversian canals are connected to each other by transverse canals. So what are these transverse canals known? Option A, Bidder's canal. Option B, inguinal canal. Option C, Volkmann canal. Or option D, semicircular canal. Correct answer is option C, that is Volkmann canal. Question number 14. Oxytocin is synthesized in pituitary, hypothalamus, ovary, placenta. Oxytocin is synthesized in. Correct answer is option B, hypothalamus, and it is released by posterior pituitary. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very channel, this very time, with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT Biology. I hope you're finding these videos helpful in your daily preparation for the coming NEET exam. They will surely help you in gaining confidence for the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.